Am I the only one that didn't know why so many young people move abroad, even with jobs at home? You're about to find out. It's not just about the paycheck. Sure, better salaries can be a pull, but there's more to it. Think about the adventure. New places, new faces. That's pretty exciting, right? Plus, there's the promise of better education, more freedom, and the chance to experience different cultures. But wait, there's more. Sometimes it's about escaping high unemployment rates, lack of opportunities, or just plain old boredom. Hey, we all need a change of scenery now and then. And let's not forget the social pressure. Ever noticed everyone posting their cool overseas pics on social media? That FOMO is real. So while local jobs are good, the pull of the unknown, the chance to grow, and the lure of new experiences often win. So next time you see a friend moving abroad, you'll know it's not just about the money. It's about chasing dreams and making memories. Pretty cool, huh?